In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight events in Google Calendar, making it easier to organize and differentiate your plans at a glance. Whether you're tracking a meeting, a birthday, or just a friendly reminder, highlighting events is a simple yet powerful way to bring more visual clarity to your calendar. To start, let's make sure you are logged into your Google account and navigate to Google Calendar using your preferred web browser. This method works well on desktop and is ideal for those who spend a lot of time on their computers. Once you have Google Calendar open, you will be greeted with your standard view filled with months, weeks, and days alongside the events you have already scheduled. Now, let's dive into the process. First, locate the event you want to highlight. You might have an important meeting, a personal event, or something that needs a bit of extra attention. Click on this event. By doing so, a small window will pop up, providing a quick overview of the event details. Here, you will see an icon that looks like a pencil, typically located in the upper part of this pop-up window. This pencil icon is your gateway to editing the event details. Go ahead and click it. Once you are in the edit mode, you'll notice various options for customizing your event. Today, our focus is on changing the event color, which serves as the highlighter for your calendar. Look for the color palette, which should be positioned subtly on the interface. This palette gives you the option to highlight the event with a preset color. These preset choices are a straightforward way to quickly add some color and flair to your calendar entries. However, if you prefer a more personalized touch, click on the plus icon. The plus icon allows you to select a custom color, enabling you to make your event stand out in any hue that suits your needs or preferences. Remember, this color change should serve a purpose, maybe yellow for high priority tasks, blue for leisure activities, or green for work-related events. It's helpful to choose a color coding system that best fits your lifestyle and keeps your calendar visually organized. Now that you have chosen your preferred color, it's time to save your changes. There is typically a save button located at the top of the event details screen. Click it to ensure that your color adjustments are applied. Once you've saved, you'll be taken back to your main calendar view where you can immediately see the change in color for your highlighted event. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully highlighted an event in your Google Calendar. This simple technique can greatly improve your scheduling efficiency and ensure your important commitments are easily identifiable. Enjoy a more vibrant and organized calendar experience.